In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you, whether you're a seasoned video editor or just getting started. Let's dive in. First up, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Once you're on the website, you'll notice the option to sign in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. For a smooth sign-in process, you can select Continue with Microsoft. This option is convenient if you prefer to use your Microsoft account, as it's typically quicker and easier. After selecting Continue with Microsoft, you'll need to choose your Microsoft account from the list that appears. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're selecting the one you wish to use with Clipchamp. Simply click on your preferred account and Clipchamp will take you to its home page. Now that you're in Clipchamp, the next step is to select a video project to work with. This could be a new project you want to start from scratch or one that's already underway. Just click on the project and you'll be taken into the editing interface. Here's something important to note. Clipchamp currently does not offer a built-in screenshot feature, which might be a little surprising if you're new to the platform. But don't worry, there are simple ways to capture stills from your video. To take a screenshot, you first need to pause on the frame you wish to capture. Once you've selected the exact image you want, you can use the snipping tool available on your device. Most computers have a snipping tool either pre-installed or easily accessible, which allows you to manually select and save a portion of your screen as an image. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick and efficient way to capture your screen. Simply press Shift plus Windows key plus S. This combination will activate a screen snipping feature where you can select the area of the screen you wish to capture. Once you've done that, you'll see a notification prompting you to save the screenshot. By following these steps, you can capture any frame from your Clipchamp video projects without any hassle. This technique is particularly useful for creating thumbnails or preserving memorable moments from your projects. Remember, whether you use the snipping tool or the keyboard shortcut, you'll be able to easily integrate these images into future projects or share them with others. And there you have it. Now you know how to take screenshots in Clipchamp using simple tools and shortcuts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.